Saving $10,000 in 1 year, does it sound impossible? Think again. Welcome to your ultimate guide to achieving this ambitious yet achievable financial goal. In this video, we'll explore practical steps and proven strategies that simplify the process and inspire you. It all begins with planning and discipline. Whether you're dreaming of a financial cushion, a big purchase, or building better money habits, this challenge is designed for you. We'll guide you step by step, from creating a solid budget to uncovering smart savings techniques and even boosting your income. By the end, you'll see how attainable this goal truly is. Ready to embark on this journey to financial empowerment? Let's dive in and make the dream of saving $10,000 in a year your reality. Understanding your financial habits is the first step to saving $10,000 in a year. Budgeting is about knowing where your money goes and taking control of it. Start by listing all income sources and monthly expenses to get a clear picture of your financial flow. Categorize expenses into necessities, wants, and savings to identify areas to cut back. Adopt the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. To simplify budgeting, try apps like Mint or YNAB, which track spending and set financial goals. These tools keep you accountable and make budgeting less daunting. Remember, a well-planned budget isn't restrictive, it's empowering. It's your roadmap to financial success and the foundation of your $10,000 savings challenge. With your budget in place, let's explore strategies to maximize your savings potential. Let's move to step 2, effective saving strategies. Saving doesn't mean sacrificing the joys of life. It's about being intentional and making it effortless. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings, ensuring a balanced financial lifestyle. Automate savings by setting up recurring transfers to a separate account each payday, so you save without thinking about it. Consider opening multiple accounts for specific goals, like an emergency fund or vacation, to stay organized and motivated. Regularly review expenses and cut back on unnecessary spending. Small changes like brewing coffee at home or canceling unused subscriptions can add up significantly. By prioritizing and automating savings, you'll create a system that works for you. Ready to explore how boosting your income can accelerate your savings journey? Let's proceed to step 3. Increasing your income can be transformative in saving $10,000 within a year. By taking proactive steps, you unlock new financial opportunities. Explore side hustles or freelance work aligned with your skills and schedule to supplement income and build financial resilience. Investing in yourself is equally crucial. Enhancing skills through courses or certifications can lead to higher-paying roles or promotions. The effort you put into self-improvement today can yield significant returns tomorrow. Additionally, consider passive income sources like renting unused spaces. These strategies work in the background, adding to your savings without constant attention. Diversifying income streams and investing in growth not only helps save effectively, but also builds a sustainable financial future. Next, let's delve deeper into strategies for managing and optimizing the funds you're working hard to save. You've explored essential steps to save $10,000 in just 1 year: budgeting, smart saving, and income growth. Each strategy builds on the last, creating a pathway to financial success. Now, it's your turn to take action. Begin your savings journey today and discover the power of determination and planning. Share your progress and tips with others, inspiring a community of savers like you. Achieving your financial goals isn't just a dream, it's a decision. With the tools and strategies you've learned, the road to $10,000 is within reach. Start today and watch your efforts transform into tangible rewards your future self will thank you.